Are you tired of constantly worrying about your children's online safety and want to protect them while they exploring the digital world? Well, look no further because I'm going to show you how you can apply a special discount code on Kidsguard Pro that will give you up to 60% off and ultimate peace of mind. Now, first of all, go to the given link in description. Click on reveal code. Now it will redirect you to Kidsguard Pro website. Now choose your plan and fill your basic details. And here you can apply a coupon code. And to redeem the code, you have to go back to our website again. And here is your coupon code. Now copy this and paste it here. Click on apply. And just like that, you have unlocked the fantastic discount of the best parental control app in the market. Imagine the peace of mind you will have knowing you are keeping your children safe online while saving money at the same time. And KidsGuard Pro also offer 30 days money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry. You can cancel your subscription anytime. Thank you.